By selecting a building envelope segment, this can then be modified. The various nodes can be moved around by simply using the blue grips. Using the purple grip, we can extend the entire segment freely, defining the new dimension, or if we prefer, simply type in a value. With the offset option, all segments can then be moved to a certain distance. With the additional toolbar options, which are also available in the local menu, we can delete or add a node on the selected segment, or even convert the straight line to an arc.